got to meet a nice guy there with a recumbent bike. His name's Carey, K-A, or try it again, Carey, C-A-R-Y. He's riding from the northern end of the Outer Banks down to the southern end. He's on his recumbent. He is 14 years recovering from a stroke. His parents live up in Nags Head, or excuse me, live in Virginia. And when he comes to visit, they'll bring him out here and he'll ride it from one end to the other, or at least down to the ferry. He's got 55 more miles to go today. So that's neat.
So, still going. Maxed out on myself. No, he's still coming out. He's the grand light. Heading out. Swung his sail around, set back. He did a really cool flip with the sail too. Turned it. Yeah. Just like you gotta stay on the upwind side of the sail. You gotta use your body to pull it back. Still, damn, he's still good. Sucker go. Oh, we caught here. Wow, he nailed it too. It's colder than a Hungarian, it looks like. That sucker go. Oh, he's kicking ass. Oh, he caught it again! Damn! That is so cool, man. Oh, yeah. Damn, he's trucking. That speed. Oh, whoa, did it again. God dang.